Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start a business. So this is for you entrepreneurs out there. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start a business. But I'm actually going to be focusing on the mindset and the strategy that you need to have. So whether you're starting an online business or any other kind of business, this video will help you entrepreneurs out there. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about when starting an online business is you need to love what you do. Are you doing something that you wouldn't mind doing for free? Are you motivated every day, and do you enjoy what you're doing? This is important when you start a business, because if you're doing something that makes you happy, then you're more likely to succeed. You're more likely to put more effort into your business and look towards more of the long-term goals when it comes to your business. So if you're only looking to start a business just to make money, then there's a good chance that you're gonna pick the wrong business. When you start a business, money shouldn't be your only goal. Yeah, of course, everybody's in business to make money. But if money is your only goal, then you're not going to be successful. So that's something that you need to keep in mind when you start a business. So the second thing that you need to keep in mind when starting a business as an entrepreneur is to have some kind of game plan. You should have a general idea of where you want to go with your business. I'm not saying that you should have every detail of your business plan mapped out already. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't have to worry about having every detail planned out, because in life there's a lot of things that don't go according to plan. So you shouldn't worry about having the perfect plan for your business before you even try to start. You don't have to have it all planned out. You just have to know where you're going, and then you have to take action and go from there. The third tip that I wanted to share with you is to start where you are with what you have. Most people who start a business think that they need to invest everything that they have in order to be successful. You don't need to have the top of the line equipment in order to be successful. As a matter of fact, you should have a strict budget of the supplies, materials, and equipment that you need. Your main concern is to first make a profit as soon as possible. You might think that you need to spend thousands of dollars on equipment. For example, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you don't need to buy the most expensive camera in order to start making good quality videos. Your main focus should be getting some experience first. You should work within a tight budget. And when you start to grow with your business, that's when you can upgrade your equipment little by little. You don't need a whole bunch of money in order to make money. All you need is you. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind, is to work within a tight budget. Don't spend unnecessary funds. The fourth tip that I have for you when starting a business is to be open-minded and step out of your comfort zone. When you step out of your comfort zone and start networking with other people who could potentially help your business, that's when your business starts to reach new milestones. You also need to be willing to learn everything that there is to know about the business that you're in, because that's what it takes in order to be successful. If it means reading books, going to workshop classes, having a mentor, then so be it. You need to broaden your skills and do whatever it takes in order to be successful in your business. And the only way to do that is to step out of your comfort zone. Because outside of your comfort zone is where the growth starts to take place. So you should always strive to be better. The fifth and final tip that I have for you guys when starting your business is that you need to believe that it's possible for you. If you're starting a business and you're having doubts that you're going to be successful, then you should do yourself a favor and don't even bother to start at all, because you're going to be wasting your time. There's a famous quote, and I forget who said it, but it goes, "He who thinks he can and he who thinks he can't are both usually right." Success starts in the mind, and it's achieved through action. So in other words, you have to believe it in order to achieve it. I know it sounds kind of corny, but it's 100% true. So always keep that state of mind, just knowing that it's possible for you. And just keep putting in work every day. Keep pushing yourself towards your goals. And eventually, you're gonna see the success that you wanna see when it comes to your business. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got some kind of motivation and value out of it. And if you did, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I wish you guys the best when it comes to your business, and if you want my personal recommendation on how to start an online business, you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.